Hi everyone, my name is Amanah Julianti and the last NPM 109 from Accounting Day. As an accounting student, I try to manage my personal finance the same way I would manage a small business. In this video, I'm going to share how I apply basic accounting concept to my own financial life through my personal financial statement. Revenue. I have three main sources of revenue every month. The biggest one is my job as a housewife, which makes up about 75% of my total income in my most consistent and stable revenue stream. Then, 20% of my income comes from my parents who still support me while I'm studying. And the remaining 5% comes from part-time activities like becoming a pastor running events, leading warms up, on doing like coaching. Their jobs don't happen every day, but they add a nice extra flow income when they do. All of my income is recorded in a spreadsheet. So I can clearly track where my money comes and from and how much I actually make every month. Next, let's talk about my expense. I divide them into fixed costs and variable costs just like in basic accounting. Fixed cost. My fixed costs include fuel for transportation, internet data, and saving, which I consider a fixed cost because I always save a certain amount every month for future needs like UKT payments or emergency. These are the expense I prioritize because they stay mostly the same each month. Variable costs. My variable costs change depending on my activities that include snack or meals on campus, buying college outfit or personal item, and budget for traveling like going to nature, hiking, or spending time on myself because my hobby is hiking. Yes. And honestly, every month I have one expense I never skip. Dim sum. Dim sum is my mandatory snack. I love it so much and it always boosts my energy and mood. So yes, and consider is an important variable cost. I also record all of this expense in my spreadsheet, so I always know where my money goes and whether I'm staying within my budget. And let's talk about asset and liabilities. Now let's look at my personal balance sheet. Asset. My asset include my motorcycle, which I use for daily activities and transportation, my smartphone, which I use from work, studying, and personal communication, my savings, and my smartwatch, which help me monitor my healthy and sport activities. These assets support both my daily needs and my productivity. Liabilities. I also have a short-term liability, which is the installment for my smartwatch. Even though it's a liability, I always pay it on time to keep my finance stable. This is where the accounting equation applies: asset equal liability plus equity. My motorcycle, phone, and smartwatch increase my asset, while the installment increase my liability, but since I manage my payment properly, my equity stay positive. And yeah, so that's an overview of my personal financial statement and how I manage my finance. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.